Welcome to our channel Bright Maths. In this video, let us learn the application of derivative problem. See the question. A car A is traveling from north at 50 km per hour and car B is traveling from east at 60 km per hour. We have to draw the diagram. Whenever we are given directions in questions, we have to take the north direction to be upwards. So in diagram, we take north direction like this. So consider the first road and this is the second road. See the question, car A is traveling from north. So take car A here. This is traveling from north. So it is moving in this direction. Next, car B is traveling from east. So this is the east side. So from east, this car B is moving in this direction. And take the intersection of the road as O. Since the first car A is moving from north, that means mathematically it is in the opposite direction. Similarly, car B also moving from east. So that also mathematically we have to take it in opposite direction. See the next line, both are headed for intersection of the two roads. That means both are approaching each other. So they are moving towards the point of intersection, that is O. We have to find at what rate the cars are approaching each other. Now let car A distance be x and let car B distance be y. And the distance between A and B is z. So when the cars are moving, the distance also changing. So we have to find that rate only, that is we have to find dz by dt. Now let us write the given. The speed of car A is 50 km per hour. Since it's moving in opposite direction, we have to take it as minus 50. So that means the distance is decreasing. That is why we take negative sign. And speed means rate of change of distance. So that is dx by dt. Similarly, the speed of car B is given 60 km per hour. We have to take that also negative sign because it is moving in opposite direction. That means the distance is decreasing. So that is why we put negative sign here. Car B distance is y. Speed means rate of change of distance, that is dy by dt. Now clearly the roads are perpendicular because this road is north direction and this road is east direction. That means the roads are perpendicular. So consider this triangle OAB to be right angled triangle. So in right angled triangle we can use Pythagoras theorem. So by Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square, that is z square, equal to sum of squares of other two sides, that is x square plus y square. So now this is the equation. We have to differentiate this equation and find dz by dt. And here x, y values are given. See the last line. When car A is 3 km, so x value is 3. And when car B is 4 km, that is y value is 4. Now we can find z value very easily. Since it's a right angle triangle, using Pythagoras theorem, this side is root of 3 squared plus 4 squared. That is root of 9 plus 16, 25. And root 25 is 5. Therefore, the hypotenuse side is 5. And note that in right angle triangle always the numbers are triplets. That means if you know two numbers, we can write the third number easily. So the two numbers are 3, 4. So definitely the third number should be 5. Now we can understand the meaning of the question. The cars are approaching each other. See that this first car A is moving from north and the second car B is moving from east. So that means the cars are moving like this. So they are approaching each other and also the distance between them decreases. The distance between them is changing. That is what we have to find, that is dz by dt. Now differentiate this equation and find dz by dt. Differentiating this with respect to t. So t means time. So we have to differentiate with respect to t only. Now z square differentiation is 2z into we have to write dz by dt because we are differentiating with respect to another variable t. Equal to right side same formula, square formula only. So x square differentiation 2x into we have to write dx by dt plus y square differentiation is 2y into we have to write dy by dt. Next step, since 2 is common, we can divide by 2. So cancel 2 here, we get z into dz by dt equal to x into dx by dt plus y into dy by dt. Now substitute the values. Left side z value is 5 into dz by dt equal to x value 3 into dx by dt is minus 50 plus y value is 4 into dy by dt is minus 60. Simplify and get the answer. Here next easy step is that just divide by 5. So left side 5 cancelled. Right side this minus 50 cancel by 5 we get minus 10 plus next term this bracket minus 60 cancel by 5 we get minus 12. Now this is 3 into minus 10 minus 30 plus 4 into minus 12 minus 48. So minus 30 minus 48 adding we get minus 78. So therefore dz by dt is minus 78. And here note that this negative sign indicates that the distance is decreasing. That means the cars are approaching each other. So therefore the cars are approaching each other at the rate of 78 km/h. Thanks for watching.